I'm Eric Bradley, and today we're going to learn how to remove paint stains from finished wood. These videos are brought to you by WorthPoint.com, the world's largest online resource for researching and valuing millions of objects through billions of photos to make you a stronger collector or reseller. Sometimes when you find antique furniture, it's not uncommon to find splotches of newer latex paint here and there. Here's a simple method to safely remove the paint without damaging the stain or the finish of the antique. First, apply a bit of liquid adhesive remover to the surface of the paint. Make sure you get enough liquid on it to let it sit for a moment or two. You can find these products at your local hardware store pretty inexpensively. When you're ready, take a soft cotton cloth and gently rub the area, and you'll see the paint will start to fade. Now, don't be afraid to repeat the process more than once. The goal here is to remove the paint slowly so that you don't damage the original finish.